How to change your Play Store region on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update it through your Google Payment settings. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right. After that, tap Settings. At this point, tap Payments and Subscriptions. Following this, tap Payment Methods. From here, scroll down to the bottom of that page. At this stage, tap More Payment Settings, or More Options, depending on what's shown. This will redirect you to a browser page. Following this, you may be asked to verify it's you at this point. From here, verify using your fingerprint or PIN if prompted. At this stage, once verified, tap the three lines at the top left. Following this, tap Addresses. From here, you'll see your existing address listed there. At this stage, tap to edit that address if you want to update it directly, or add a new secondary address instead if you'd rather keep the original one on file. Once your address is updated, your Play Store region will change to match the new location, affecting things like available apps, pricing, and payment options. That's how you change your Play Store region on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.